Okay, so this is the sound. Hear it clicking? So it's either a bad rack or it's just the rack's loose, so I'm going to have to jack it up and take a look, see if I can tighten up the bolts and make it go away. This side, on the passenger side, was a tiny bit loose. Like, it was still like probably 30-40 foot-pounds or something. It was pretty tight, but I was able to move it, so I just kind of cranked it down a little bit more. So, and that one was real tight, couldn't move it, so we'll call that one good. So hopefully this fixes that clicking problem. Like, there's nothing leaking in the rack, it's all looking good. Tie rod ends are all tight, and sway bar links are tight. So we'll just see if that did anything. So I tightened up the rack bolts and nothing. Clicking's gone. So that solved the problem. So it was that barely loose rack bolt that was making that clicking noise, so I almost bought a rack and pinion. Thank God I didn't, because it wasn't the problem. And I saved myself about $1,000 there. So that's your fix for the steering rack clicking noise that you hear when you crank the wheel to the edge. I have AR downpipes on here, so I guess they didn't get snugged up enough when I put the rack back in. So that's the fix, guys. Thanks for watching.